Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Recreated. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Hope you're doing great. So guess what? Today we are going to do Jollibee chicken, if you haven't noticed in the title. We're going to do spicy Jollibee chicken. I'm going to recreate it and we'll see what happens. And the gravy that you dip it in. So if you guys have never tried it, go try it if you have one close to you. Or if you haven't and you want to try it, try my recipe. Or if you've tried it and you want to see if my recipe comes close, try it, let me know. I'm just excited to get started with it. So let's just go. Let's get started so we can have some crunchy, delicious there it is. There's the words. There they are. Let's just go try it and have some delicious chicken, spicy chicken. All right, let's go. Alright, so after it's been marinating for an hour, we're going to take it out of the water of the marinade. Just transfer it to another bowl. And then, hold on, let me rinse my hands really quick. Sorry, alright, so now we're just going to add about a tablespoon of garlic powder and just kind of rub it all over. Okay, we're gonna take 2 cups of flour and 1.5 cups of cornstarch. I put it together already because it really goes all over the place. And then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Let me do it like this. And we're doing 4, oops, sorry about that. We're doing 4 tablespoons, or teaspoons, sorry, of paprika. Oh, there's a heaping one. All right. And then 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. And then 3, this is going to make the spice. 3 tablespoons, so this is 2 tablespoons here. And I'll take this one, do a little bit more, for 3 tablespoons for spice. Okay, now we're going to mix this all together. Okay, sorry, I add in a teaspoon of accent, totally optional. Okay, now we're going to take a cup of the mixture that we just did with the flour and all the spices. Just take a cup of that and put it in another bowl. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. 2 eggs. And 2 cups of water. I gotta get more water. All right, there we go. So now we're just gonna mix this together. This is gonna be our wet batter. So we will take our chicken and dip it in this flour mixture, and then we'll dip it in here, and then we'll dip it in the flour mixture again after I whisk it up and get it all incorporated. Okay, I have a chicken thigh and I put it in the flour and in the wet mixture and then the flour again. So we're gonna carefully put it in here. And I'm gonna do the thighs. All right, so these are totally submerged, but after about 7 or 8 minutes, I'm just gonna take it and turn it over. Oh yeah. And that's about what you want it to look like as far as like everything. And we're gonna let this go for probably another 7 or 8 minutes. All right, you guys, look at that. There it is. So excited. Took off a piece like a crisp. It's so good. No, I made some gravy. I'll put that up in another video. The Jollibee gravy, so good. All right, you guys, let me know if you try it and tell me what you think. All right, see you next time. Bye.